This is a game changer for your hair care routine, okay? This is the MYTREX EMS Head Spa Pro. This is a motorized scalp massager that is waterproof, which means you can use it in the shower. I personally love using this on my second shampoo. I just think it really gets in there, deeply cleanses the scalp and promotes that circulation. Plus, it will not get tangled in your hair, but it doesn't stop there. The Head Spa Pro uses electrical muscle stimulation technology. This works by delivering low-frequency electrical impulses to your scalp, which increases blood circulation and helps bring vital nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles. It also contains 9 LED lights that have a 630 nanometer wavelength, a wavelength that is often praised for its skin rejuvenation benefits and has been shown to reduce inflammation and irritation. The device comes with 3 different attachments, 3 speed settings, and 5 different EMS intensity levels, so you can customize it completely to your own liking. It is so relaxing. I will just use it like after I've been staring at a screen all day or when I have a headache, and it just does such a great job of relieving that tension. And like I said, it's just great for boosting that circulation to your scalp. I have to keep stealing it back from my mum and my sister because they also love it.